Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are in Las Vegas. If you saw in the opening clips, we actually flew in a few days ago on Thursday. It's now Sunday, so we were here for a convention, so I wasn't really vlogging, but now it's our last day here, and we moved to a way nicer hotel, and we're gonna have tons of fun today, so I wanted to vlog. And I also already did some damage at Sephora, so I want to show you guys what I got. But this room is absolutely amazing. So I just started moving into this premium makeup vanity they have here. Like, this is just so premium, and the bathroom is just incredible. I'm definitely planning to buy a Lush bath bomb and take a bath in this tonight because it looks incredible. And you already saw the windows opening to provide the premium view. But anyway, I'll show you guys what I got at Sephora, but I also wanted to quickly mention my shirt. This is a Roomy Neely tank top, and I've been saving it to wear on this trip, and it's super cute and comfy, so that's what's going on there. And I'll show you guys what I got. So here are all the Sephora purchases. A lot of them were Jamie Genevieve inspired, but first of all, I got this Lawless Lucid Skin highlight. You guys know I'm a big fan of this brand because it's clean beauty. So this is their new highlighter they just came out with. It's super beautiful. I've been wearing it the last 2 days. It's pretty glittery and goldy, so probably not the best if you're super fair like me, but I still make it work because I just want to support the clean beauty brand. And then I also picked up the Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Cream in the shade Dolly. I loved this in the shade White Russian, which I had years ago and finally ran out of. And this is just a little bit deeper of a mauve tone. So I'm sure I'll put this on today. You guys will be able to see. And then I haven't used this yet, but this is the NARS Mini Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Vanilla. Sephora has 3 shades that they sell in Mini. This is the lightest one. So I decided to pick this up. I had the Radiant Creamy Concealer years ago and just didn't really love it. I found it really drying, but I think I had too light of a color, so that probably contributed. So hopefully this shade works. We'll try it out. I did already try out this. This is the Milk Makeup, what is this? The Kush Waterproof Mascara. I needed something waterproof because the mascaras that I brought with me were just really transferring in the Vegas heat. So I picked out this one, and the packaging is really quality and heavy, even though this is kind of like the mini trial size. And I did find that this was not really waterproof. It did hold up and not transfer as quickly as my other mascaras, but it definitely still did transfer. And it was definitely not waterproof because I did remove it with my makeup eraser towel from Amazon that you guys know I love. So I wouldn't say it's waterproof, but it does give a really good effect to the lashes. It really gives a lot of volume without making them clumpy, so I'm enjoying it, even though it's not the best. And then this is the Too Faced Born This Way. What is this? Super Coverage Multi-Sculpting Concealer. So, of course, everyone's been raving about this recently. I've been wanting to try it. I tried to pick this up at Ulta, but the lightest shade was stark white, and then the second lightest shade was dark yellow, so there just wasn't a good color match for me. But then I went in Sephora here, and there was this new shade that was in between the lightest two, and this is called Marshmallow. So I picked up Marshmallow, and this shade's actually perfect. I've been wearing it the last 2 days. I really like it so far. It's not creasing, and it seems to give a full coverage. It's kind of Tarte Shape Tape-esque, so enjoying it so far. I'm just glad that they finally added some more shades. There looked like there was at least 5 or 6 new shades that they added to give people better color matches. And then 2 more things for lips. This one was definitely Jamie Genevieve inspired. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Always Caffeine, or Anywhere Caffeine. So this is a nice brownie. I've been using it as a lip liner, but I think it's an Anywhere pencil you can use as an eyeliner or for whatever else, but I've just been using it as a lip liner. I just really messed up and didn't bring the appropriate lip products for all the events that I was going to on this trip, so that's why I bought so many lip products. And then I also finally picked up another one of these NARS Power Matte Lip Pigments. I have that shade in American Woman, which I love, and this is the shade Get It On, which is the more nudie shade, and I feel like I have so many liquid lipsticks in this type of deep nude shade, but I just love this NARS formula. And again, I just didn't pack the right lip products, so I needed to pick this up, and I wore it the other day, and it's super beautiful. And then finally, the final Jamie Genevieve inspired purchase. This is the Hoola Caramel Bronzer. This is probably a little risky because I'm so fair. This is their one that's for medium skin tone, so it's a little or I guess a lot more warm and deeper than the original Hoola, which is way more cool toned and probably more universal. But I've been wearing this, and I think I can pull it off, and I really like a nice warm toned bronzer for summer, so that's all we got at Sephora. Oh, and then 2 samples, actually. I got a sample of the NARS foundation, and then this Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright primer, which I absolutely have been wearing the last 2 days and love, so I'm definitely going to pick up the full size of this. Hey guys, we're back in the room, and as you saw, I did stop at Sephora and pick up the full size of the Banana Bright Face Primer from Ulla Henriksen, which I had the sample of and was obsessed with. And now I just took a nap and I changed for dinner, and now I'm just gonna apply my lip product right before we go as I throw the lip liner. So I'm gonna try the 3 new things I got, the Makeup Forever, the NARS, and the Buxom all together, which is what I wore another night on the trip and really liked. So there's just the lip liner, and now I'm gonna apply the NARS. I'm just waiting for that to dry before I put the Dolly by Buxom on top. Actually, I was kind of feeling the matte lip, so I just left it without the Buxom on top, but I'll pack it in my bag in case I want to put some on at dinner. I'm just wearing this little crop top from Forever 21, and this skirt is really old from Topshop, but let's go to dinner. Hey guys, so the vlog was kind of about to end a little bit abruptly because I kind of had a vlogging fail and didn't really get too much footage while in Vegas. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the Sephora haul and the few little montagey clips of things that I did, but we were there for several days and it was just kind of exhausting, and we were there with a lot of family, so there wasn't a lot of like vloggable content. But I did want to quickly mention 2 things that I brought on the trip with me that I was absolutely loving, just because I wanted to mention them and then I just ended up not vlogging it. So now that I'm home, I just wanted to show you. The first thing is this mirror that I bought on Amazon, and this is by IK Product. I'll link it in Amazon below, but it's just this mirror like this. I won't blind you, but it has a little on-off switch, and then it has a little touch screen and it like lights up. So it's super cool, and you can change the light to warm, cool, or daylight. And it's just like super convenient, and the bottom like holds it up like a little stand, so you can kind of do your makeup anywhere. And I bought this because hotels always have super poor lighting, and if you're getting ready at night and there's not good like daylight in front of a window, or not a good like desk or something near a window, then you're just kind of stuck doing it in like the dingy hotel bathroom lighting, and a lot of the times that doesn't work out too well. So I bought this to kind of do my makeup on the trip, and I really loved it. It was $30 on Amazon, which was frankly a little bit more than I wanted to pay, but it does have like a USB charging cable, and I really liked it. It is pretty light. It's a little like thick. It's kind of thicker than an iPad, I would say, but about the same dimensions. And it was really convenient. Obviously, in the last hotel that we stayed at on the last night that you guys saw, we had an amazing like makeup vanity area, so I didn't even need this. But at the first hotel we were in, it was a lot jankier, and there definitely wasn't a good spot to do makeup, so this came in super handy. Also, right before the trip, I was at the mall and I picked up a new pair of sunglasses. So my local mall now has a Key Australia store, and obviously like every single YouTuber like promotes these and has a collab with these and all that, and I had just never seen them in person. I just kind of always thought these were $60 Forever 21 sunglasses that YouTubers were collaborating with, which is amazing. Like some of the designs are like super beautiful and I really liked them, but I was just like, no way am I gonna spend $60 on a pair of sunglasses. I'd rather just buy a designer pair for $100 or a Forever 21 pair for $5. But I got suckered in and I went in there and picked out these frames. I absolutely love these. The polarization is really good on them. I wore them all the time in Vegas. These might not really be like the most like neutral everyday sunglass. They're a little like Vegas-y, but I am super in love with them. Like I said, the polarization was amazing. It worked really well in like the bright Vegas heat and sun, and I just was really impressed with these. And when I went and bought these, my boyfriend actually picked out a pair as well of their men's glasses, and he like loves them and now wears them more than his Ray-Bans. So if you've been kind of on the fence about trying out these Key sunglasses, I would say go for it. I found that they were worth the money. They held up really well. They're pretty sturdy, and I was just like really impressed. I was expecting not to like them, but I love them. So anyway, I hope this ties up the vlog nicely. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a couple things that I brought with me on the trip and some few clips. I'm going to try to get better at vlogging, but I'll also link my Amazon shop below. This is like an affiliate link, so if you don't want to click on it, you don't have to or whatever. But I just want to link this mirror for you guys, and I also have some of my other like makeup favorites and things that I mentioned in videos linked there, so it's a really kind of convenient way for you guys to shop all the things I mentioned. If you're interested, again, don't have to, but I'm going to end the vlog here and say thank you guys so much for watching. I do still upload 2 days a week on Monday and Thursday, so please subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss my next video, and thank you so much for watching.